Good morning, dear students. In this class, we'll see the mixed type of problems. I told in the previous class, mixed type of problems means your right hand side will be mixture of either type 1, type 2, type 3. Mixture of what here? Type 1, type 2, type 3. So here, for this question, just see here. So right hand side, e raised to 2x is a type 1 minus 3 times 3 is a constant. Sine 2x is what here? A type 2. So it is a mixture of type 1 and type 2. So how to solve? We'll see here. Now, so I will not again give explanation for the left hand side. So left hand side, your auxiliary equation, with the help of auxiliary equation find the roots and the complementary function. I had given detail, just glance it and complete that concept. Now coming to the complementary function, particular integral, yp is given by right hand side, what we have, e raised to 2x minus 3 times sine of 2x divided by your auxiliary equation d square plus 4d minus 12. We have two terms in the numerator, e raised to 2x and 3 times sine 2x. We'll separate it. This can be written as e raised to 2x divided by d square plus 4d minus 12. This is minus sign, minus 3 is a constant, sine of 2x divided by what here, d square plus 4d minus 12. Fine. So this is our yp. So this I will write it as yp is equal to, this I will consider as p1 minus 3 times p2, and I will give equation number 1 for this. Fine. So we'll solve p1 separately, we'll solve p2 separately, then we'll apply in the equation number 1 and we'll get a final particular integral. Now, so p1, what is p1? E raised to 2x divided by what here, d square plus 4d minus 12. Fine. So this is type 1. For type 1, what to write here? Replace d is equal to coefficient of x, that is 2. So therefore what happens? E raised to 2x divided by, so replace d is equal to, so 2 square plus 4 times 2 minus 12. So simplify, e raised to 2x divided by 2 square is 4 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 12. So 4 plus 8 plus 4 is how much here? 12 and 12. So here what happens? The denominator is turning to what here? 0. If denominator turning to 0, we have to go back and we have to differentiate this. So differentiation of d square is 2d and differentiation of 4d is 4 and differentiation of minus 12 is 0. So therefore differentiation means 2d plus 4. We'll write here. That is p1 equal to e raised to 2x divided by 2d plus 4, but we have differentiated once, we have to multiply 1x here. So here it is simplified form. Now again replace d is equal to what here? 2. So what happens? We'll check. So p1 is equal to x into e raised to 2x upon 2 into 2 plus 4, which is nothing but x into e raised to 2x upon, so 4 plus 4, which is nothing but x into e raised to 2x upon 8. So therefore p1 is equal to x e raised to 2x upon 8 is nothing but the first pi. Now what is p2? p2 is nothing but sine of 2x divided by d square plus 4d minus 12. So therefore now we need to simplify. So this is type 2. So replace d square is equal to minus times 2 square, which is nothing but minus times 4. this minus times 4 will replace in place of d square. So therefore sine of 2x divided by minus 4, again don't write minus 4 square here, it is minus times 4 is the value of d square, minus 4 plus 4d minus 12. So simplify, this will become sine of 2x divided by 4d, so 4d minus 16. So we got 4d minus 16, so we don't have any d square term here. For such case we'll rationalize the denominator by taking the conjugate. So conjugate of 4d minus 16 is what here, 4d plus 16 divided by 4d plus 16. So therefore, so P2 is nothing but sine of 2x into 4d plus 16 divided by a minus b, a plus b. So this will become what here, 4d whole square minus 16 whole square. So which is nothing but sine of 2x 4d plus 16 as it is. So a square plus b, 4 square is how much here, 16d square minus 16 square is 256. So again we got d square. So again you write replace d square is equal to the same, d square is minus 4. So what we'll get here for P2, so P2 will become what here, sine of 2x as it is 4d plus 16 divided by 16 into minus 4 minus 256, which is equal to sine of 2x into 4d plus 16 divided by, so 16 into minus 4 will become how much here, minus 64 minus 256. So which is nothing but sine of 2x into 4d plus 16 divided by, so minus 64 minus 256 will be how much here, minus 320. So now denominator is simplified completely, we have to think about the numerator. So open the bracket, sine 2x into 4d can be written as 4d of sine of 2x plus 16 times sine of 2x divided by minus 320. So this you write as it is, 4 as it is. So differentiation of sine 2x is how much here, 2 times cos of 2x plus 16 times sine 2x divided by minus 320, which is nothing but 4 2s are 8 cos 2x plus 16 sine 2x divided by minus 320. So therefore P2 will be, you take among these you take 8 common, 8 divided by minus 320 into cos of 2x plus 8, how much is 16 here, 8 2s are 16, so 2 times sine 2x. So this we got P2. So therefore YP what we have here, P1 minus 3 times P2. So P1 answer how much we got, it is x e raised to 2x divided by 8 minus 3 times P2 answer how much we got, it is 8 divided by minus 320 of cos of 2x plus 2 times sine 2x. So rearrange and simplify. So x e raised to 2x divided by 8 minus minus plus. So 3 into 8 divided by 320 of cos of 2x plus 2 times sine 2x, which is nothing but so x e raised to 2x upon 8. If you simplify 3 8 24, so 8 3 is 24 divided by 320 will become how much here? It will become 3 upon 40 cos of 2x plus 2 times sine 2x. This is our yp. So the general solution is what here? Y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to, we have yc as c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 6x plus x e raised to 2x upon 8 plus 3 upon 40 into cos of 2x plus 2 times sine 2x. Next example, see, in this mixed type, solve d square y upon dx square minus 6 times dy by dx plus 2 or 25 times y is equal to e raised to 2x plus sin x plus x. Just see, I will rewritten this equation. So right hand side is e raised to 2x plus sin x plus x. Means e raised to 2x is type 1, sin x is type 2, x is what here type 3. We will go one by one. So auxiliary equation you simplify and get the yc here. Now yp is given by e raised to 2x plus sin x plus x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. Separate it as e raised to 2x upon d square minus 6d plus 25 plus sin x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25 plus x divided by what here? D square minus 6d plus 25. So therefore our yp will be what here? P1 plus P2 plus P3. So P1 belongs to the first term, P2 belongs to the second term, and this P3 belongs to what here? Third term what we have. So we'll solve one by one. We'll do equation number 1. So P1 is nothing but e raised to 2x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. So here you replace d is equal to what here? 2, type number 1. Therefore e raised to 2x divided by, so it, what to replace here? D is equal to 2, so it will become 2 square minus 6 times 2 plus 25. So simplify, e raised to 2x divided by, so 2 square is how much here? 4. Okay, 4 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 25, so it will be 17. Okay, so we got the first answer P1 as e raised to 2x upon 17. So similarly we'll work out for P2. So P2 is nothing but what here? Sine of x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. So here replace d square is equal to, coefficient of x is 1, so minus times 1 square is, which is nothing but minus 1. So therefore what happens to P2? So P2 is equal to sine of x divided by, so minus 1 minus 6d plus 25, so which is nothing but sine x divided by minus 6d, so minus 1 plus 25 is nothing but what here? Plus 24. So which I will rewrite it as sine of x divided by, so among this you take common as 6. So if I take 6 common, what left inside? Minus d plus 4. So we'll simplify, we'll rationalize this, the next step. Now you keep this 1 upon 6 outside, so sine x divided by minus d plus 4. We'll rationalize this with conjugate, so minus d plus, minus 4 divided by minus d minus 4. So therefore 1 by 6 sine x of minus d minus 4 will multiply, so a plus b, a minus b, so therefore minus t square minus of 4 square, so which is nothing but 1 upon 6 into sine of minus d minus 4 will keep as it is, divided by minus d square is what here? D square minus 4 square is 16. Again we got d square, so replace d square is equal to minus 1. So therefore we'll get what here? 1 upon 6 times sine of minus d minus 4 divided sine x of, okay, minus d minus 4 divided by minus 1 minus 16, which is nothing but 1 by 6 into sine of minus d minus 4 divided by minus 17. So which is finally our P2 will become what here? 1 upon 6 into 17 will be how much? 102. We have minus sign, so 102, open the bracket, minus times differentiation of sine x minus 4 times sine x, which is nothing but finally you take minus common, it will be minus 1 upon minus 102 of differentiation of sine x is cos x. I have taken minus sign common, it will become plus 4 times sine x. So therefore our P2 will be minus minus cancels, so cos of x plus 4 times sine of x divided by 102. Next we need to work out for P3. So P3 is nothing but x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25, which is nothing but x as it is divided by, rearrange, 25 minus 6d plus d square, so which can be rewritten as in the form of division, x divided by 25 minus 6d plus d square, so which is nothing but, first term is x divided by 25, so it will come here x divided by 25, so x divided by 25 into 25 is x, next plus into minus is minus, 6 times d of x divided by 25, that is 6 by 25, differentiation of x is what here? 1, will get 6 upon 25, that 6 upon 25 you write it here, 6 upon 25, change the sign, minus plus, this cancels, there is nothing, 0, so we'll get 6 upon 25. So this 6 upon 25 divided by 25, so it will become 6 upon 50, 25 into 25, 625, okay, 625, 6 divided by 625, so this you write it in the quotient, 6 divided by 625, so if you simplify we'll get here 6 divided by 25, change the sign, 0, so therefore our YP will be P1 answer. So P1 answer, how much you got? You write it It is e raised to 2x upon 17 plus our P2 answer is cos of x plus 4 times sine of x divided by 102 plus our P3 answer we got, this is quotient, this is our P3 answer. So P3 is how much here? X upon 25 plus 6 upon 625. So this is where YP we got this much. So therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp, and conclude.